Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can have dual WhatsApp in your device over Reno 85G. So if you want to have dual WhatsApp in your device, you can get it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video till end and you will learn how you can have dual WhatsApp in your device.